Hello, I'm Luke O'Neill and here I am in my lab in the Trinity Biomedical Sciences Institute. So this week on my update, a lot of analysis about Europe's second wave. As we know, cases went up massively in Europe beginning in September, and the reason is travel. 4 million people went to Spain without restrictions and then went back to their home countries, and that spread the virus like wildfire. 60% of the virus in Europe came from Spain, and Ursula von der Leyen has said the big problem was travel and open borders, and now we understand exactly how this virus spreads. And of course this week we've seen the first vaccinations outside the trial in the UK and in the north of Ireland. And the big campaign now is about vaccine hesitancy. Can we convince people to take the vaccine? 4 things can be done actually to convince people. First of all, full transparency. Show all the data, all the safety data, and also the efficacy data, number 1. 2, counter misinformation, which is out there. Thirdly, give the list of people who should take the vaccine in terms of priority, and in Ireland it will be people over 80 initially probably, and that's really good as well. And then fourthly, get the GPs involved is a key piece of advice. The reason being, GPs know their patients, they can recruit them into their surgeries to give the vaccine to, so GPs are seen as really important for the vaccine rollout. In Ireland, of course, we hope in January we'll see the first vaccine being used here. And a third big story is to do with proteins. Now, proteins are key for so much of life. They do everything really in life. And COVID-19 has the spike protein on the surface, for instance, to penetrate cells. DeepMind, the big AI machine, can now solve the structure of proteins. What does that mean? The shape of each protein can now be solved with a computer. Why is the shape important? You can design drugs then to counteract the shape and maybe block the spike in COVID, or many different proteins in different diseases. So it's a big breakthrough. A 50-year puzzle actually has been solved. They've been trying to do this with computers for a long time, and now we can see what proteins look like. Very important for drug discovery, not just in COVID, but in many different diseases. So a big triumph for biochemistry this week. And you can hear about these stories and more on my weekly COVID-19 update with Pat Kenny on Newstalk.